Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is document. Document in Salesforce. It is a standard object created by Salesforce to store documents, files, images. Documents are of two types, internal use only. It can be shared with only internal users. Content of this file is not visible directly. We need to open it manually. Second one is externally available image. Content of this file visible directly. This can be shared with internal and external users. Note: any document we create will be saved to a folder. Steps to create folder. There are two types of folders: My Personal Document folder and Custom Document folder. Any document stored in My Personal Document folder cannot shared with any user and they cannot deploy. Second one is Custom Document folder. Steps to create that particular folder. So first of all, we need to click on tab panel, then click plus sign, click documents, click on create new folder. Step 1, enter folder name. Step 2, choose user to whom folder should be visible. Step 3, click save button. Steps to create document. So again we have to go with tab panel, click plus sign, click documents, click new. Step 1, enter document name. Step 2, choose the folder. Step 3, select the file. Step 4, click on save button. Note: normal documents size is 5 MB, 20 KB as logo. If we are putting a logo in that particular folder, the image size should be not more than 20 KB. If it is more than 20 KB, you cannot use as a logo. We can use these items when creating an email template. Document files are stored to folder. My Personal Documents is a standard folder created by Salesforce. So example what we are going to see, create a document folder by the name Employee Management System folder and create a document by the name Employee Management System logo. So let's log into our Salesforce account by providing the username, password and hitting on login button. By default we are seeing the lightning experience. So for creating the document, just click on view profile. In the options section, switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this. So by default we are landing on sales application in classic mode. So coming to our assignment, looking for tab panel. This one is the tab panel. At the right hand side we are seeing plus symbol. Just click on this. In the plus symbol we are seeing all tabs are there. Use the links below to quickly navigate to a tab. You can add a tab to your display to better suit the way you work. So in the view drop down we are seeing all tabs, and here we are seeing all the application name as well. So just scroll down and see for the documents is here. Click on this. This is a standard object provided by Salesforce. So we are seeing home, documents, document folder. Document folder we are seeing my personal documents, and also seeing one classic folder we had created in the earlier sessions. Now we have to create a folder by the name Employee Management System folder. So the steps what we had seen in the PPT: tab panel, click plus symbol, click documents, what we had seen right now, then click on create a new folder. See here in the document we are seeing create a new folder. Click on this. Then step 1, enter the document name. As per our assignment we are giving here employee management system folder. By default it is going to take a unique name by pressing tab button. Public folder access, read only by default it is providing. If you want to give the read write access, you can provide. For now I am going with read only. Step 2 is choose user to whom folder should be visible. So this folder is accessible by all users. We can customize this one also. This folder is hidden from all users. If I am checking on this, it is hidden. This folder is accessible only by the following users. So if I am clicking on this, it is displaying so many options like public group. If the public group is containing some users, then for them only this folder is visible. If we are providing the access for a particular role, we can choose. If I want to give this access for only CEO, just click on this role, click on add, shared to. So this folder is going to be shared by the CEO of that particular company, and if I am hitting the save button, it is going to be visible for only CEO. So next is roles and subordinates. Also we can go with this option one also. So I am going with this folder is accessible by all users. Clicking on save button. So our folder is created. Next thing is steps to create a document. For that, what we have to do, if we are not in this section, then again we have to go with tab panel, click on plus sign, click documents, means this document, then click new. But we are in this section only, so step 1, while clicking on new button, we have to provide the document name. So we are going to provide like employee management system logo. Click on tab button, unique name is taking by self. Here again it's giving the option to which folder this document will be available. So by default we are in the same folder, and here again indicate document is internal, externally available image. It means if I am clicking on this checkbox, it is available for external also. So we can provide the description as well for this particular document. Select the file. So I have to provide employee management system, EMS is already there. Again we are going to see it's of 9 KB, so we can use this one. Next, finally step 4, click on save button. So it's done. Like this we are creating the document folder as well as document in Salesforce. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.